Greetings and Happy New Year from Marcus Melnick, Firearm Mentor. Today is January 1st of a new year, 2023. And twice a year in Illinois, laws change, January 1st and July 1st. So what I like to do is inform my listeners, my students, people who receive my newsletter of these changes in the law. And there are a handful of changes that affect gun owners, and I believe this is in a positive way as opposed to a negative way. A lot of other instructors just simply do not cover case law. I'm going to cover case law in this video as well. So, in addition to some of the, and this is an opinion, silly laws that came out, like we've adopted a new state rock, a new state snake, a new state theater. Doesn't affect gun, well, it does affect gun owners, affects everyone in the state, but the specific laws that affect people who own firearms in the state, first of all, for hunting. Now, people who hunt deer and large game can use a single shot rifle to take the game. Previously, the only rifle that they could use was a musket, which is you have to pour in the powder, push in the projectile, just like in the colonial times. Next, if someone who does not have a concealed carry permit, just has a FOID card, has submitted fingerprints to the Illinois State Police specifically for firearms, never have to renew their FOID card. If this is you, please reach out to me. I can refer you to a certified live scan vendor so that you can have prints on file. With this, there are no fees. This is a little bit of an older change, but since we're on the topic, if you have a concealed carry license, your FOID expiration date will now mirror the concealed carry license expiration date. And as long as you always have concealed carry, you never have to renew your FOID. No fees, no nothing. Next, Illinois State Police, this is a result, I believe, of the Highland Park July 4th shooting, now has a mechanism for reporting self-harm. And there's a helpline that's set up so that when the state police process FOID cards, there's a report of someone who may be, a harm to themselves. Next, I believe this is a very positive change in the law. All grades now have to implement safe gun storage education to students. This is fantastic. It's fantastic. I can't speak highly enough of it. And finally, some, like I said earlier, some instructors don't cover case law, but I cover case law. I will tell you about Diggins versus Illinois. I'll tell you about Terry versus Ohio. Tons of case law that has has everything to do with legislative law, but is outside the scope of legislative law. Part of the Safety Act, effective January 1st, today, eliminated cash bail. And as a result of this bill that was signed by Governor Pritzker, 65 Illinois counties sued the state, saying it's an unconstitutional law. Whatever your opinion is, yay, nay, doesn't matter. The Illinois Supreme Court, a few hours before New Year's, has put a permanent indefinite stay on that part of the law. So Illinois will not be experiencing cashless bail or no cash bail. The system will still be in effect the way it has been in effect. Like it or hate it, it's the way it is. So, if you have questions, if you have topics you'd like me to discuss, I like to do short videos. This one's going to be less than 5 minutes. I would encourage you to reach out, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you very much and stay safe. Once again, Marcus Melnick, Firearm Mentor. Thank you.